The Rbyf Youth Federation (RBYF) central body, led by President Bipul Thankyu, met with the medical superintendent of Civil Hospital Nongpoh today. This meeting followed numerous complaints regarding the mistreatment of patients by hospital staff. During the discussion, the RBYF addressed various issues related to the operations of Civil Hospital Nongpoh, urging the medical superintendent to take strict action against the nurse and other staff members implicated in the reported mistreatment of patients. Additionally, the RBYF urged the state government to expedite the inauguration of the MHC hospital at Umran Parila.
Part ng government bakan le no mardor para kaju upon na kalian juni ingin ay lu begitu saya minister badan burom juni jong ka health department but unju ko pingin sa par saya CM ban le ban plino kat ban na ko ya ketika hospital kemudian aku umran yang pernah